Y'all, you get the 2 keys with your purchase. It is heavy duty steel locking pins. Heavy duty, all steel constructed locking pins. This is a pry resistant door. It is a very thick steel door. And then, oh, whoops, hang on. There it goes, it relocked on me. Who are you? Congratulations on your purchase. Who are you? I want to show y'all another feature, y'all. It does have an alarm feature built into it. So right there, I just turn on the alarm. So if I come over here and mess with it,